Good morning dear students. Today we are going to start chapter number 2 of unit number 3 and the chapter is the force on charge. Today we are going to do the first part of this chapter and the topic is motion of charged particle inside electric field. Motion of charged particle inside electric field. Firstly we will discuss the electric field, then we will do the magnetic field. Motion of charged particle inside electric field. Let us suppose uniform electric field is applied along the OY. ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਕੀ ਹੈ along the y axis ਅਸੀਂ electric field ਕਿੰਨਾ apply ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ E. E is the electric field acting along the y axis. Then by placing the two positive and negatively charged plates, positively charged plate, negatively charged plate, and here is the electric field E and the direction of the electric field is along the y axis. Let us suppose electric field is uniform electric field. Now then, if the V is the potential between the plates, then E will be equal to V by D, where D is the separation between the plates. Now let us suppose a positively charged particle enters inside the electric field. ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਇੱਕ positively charged particle ਹੈ Q, वो इस electric field ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ enter ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ along the x axis, ਜਿਹਦਾ motion ਕੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ that is along x axis, ਜੋ किस direction ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ move ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ initially that is moving along the x axis. Now we have to calculate the effect on the path of this particle or we have to calculate the trajectory of this particle कि इसकी trajectory इसका path कैसा होगा. Now to find that, let us suppose t is the time taken by particle to traverse the electric field. जिन्हें पाथ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ electric field apply ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ completely cover ਕਰਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਕਿੰਨਾ time ਲਗਾਇਆ ਉਹਨੇ t. If v is the velocity or the speed and x is the distance covered, then t will be equal to x upon v. Name it equation 1 and this is the equation number 2. Now next is the force acting. If q is the charge, E is the electric field, q into E will be the force acting on the charged particle. Now m into A is equal to qe, then A will be equal to qe by m. This is the acceleration produced in the particle. Now we have to calculate the distance covered along the y axis. The distance covered along y axis, because the force is acting on the particle along the y axis, तो वो y axis के along भी कुछ ना कुछ distance cover कर रहा है. तो y की वैल्यू हम निकालेंगे by using the concept y is equal to u by t plus half of a y t square. इसको मैं a y लिख रही हूँ because the force is acting along the y axis, तो acceleration भी किस डायरेक्शन में जाएगा y axis पे जाएगा. So y is equal to initial velocity along y axis is 0 plus half of ay. Ay is the qe by m into t square. T की वैल्यू हम पुट कर रहे हैं x square by v square. तो y कितना आ गया यहाँ पे qe अपॉन 2mv स्क्वायर इंटू एक्स स्क्वायर. तो ये देखो पहली टर्म क्या आपके पास गिवन केस के लिए कांस्टेंट रहेगी. फ्रॉम हियर y is directly proportional to x square and this is the equation of the parabola. So the path of charged particle inside electric field will be parabolic. तो जो आपका चार्ज पार्टिकल है वो पैराबोलिक पाथ के अलॉन्ग मूव होगा. इट्स पाथ विल बी लुक लाइक दिस. द पार्टिकल इनिशियली किस डायरेक्शन में जा रहा था एक्स एक्सिस पे जा रहा था, बट अंडर द इफेक्ट ऑफ इट इज मूविंग along this path or the path of the particle will be parabolic. Now next topic is the motion of the particle inside magnetic field or the force on charge inside magnetic field. First case में हमने electric field में discuss किया है. In the second case we are going to do the discuss force on a charge inside the magnetic field. Now let us suppose magnetic field is acting along the y-axis, magnetic field is the B, and a charged particle is moving in the xy plane with velocity v by making an angle theta with the direction of magnetic field. Then the force will act along the z-axis. The force will act along the z-axis, and the force will be directly proportional to the magnitude of the magnetic field. Number 2, magnitude of the charge, and number 3, F is directly proportional to V sin theta, or the component of magnetic field perpendicular to the direction of magnetic field, component of velocity परपेंडिकुलर टू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फील्ड. तीनों को हम कंबाइन कर दें कि F विल बी प्रोपोर्शनल टू क्यू वी बी साइन थीटा, और यहाँ से आपके पास आएगा F इज इक्वल टू के क्यू वी बी साइन थीटा इन एसआई सिस्टम. के की वैल्यू कितनी होगी 1, तो F कितना आ गया यहाँ पे के हम 1 पुट करेंगे क्यू वी बी साइन थीटा, और इन द वेक्टर फॉर्म इट कैन बी रिटन एज F इज इक्वल टू क्यू वी क्रॉस बी. So this is the required formula for the force that is acting on the charged particle moving inside the magnetic field. Let us suppose a charged particle Q is moving with velocity v at an angle theta. In that case the force is F is equal to Q v cross b. अगर हम स्पेशल केस करें, if v is 0, v 0 means कि जो चार्ज पार्टिकल है वो रेस्ट पे है, तो फोर्स कितना होगा 0 होगा. मीन्स इफ द चार्ज पार्टिकल इज एट रेस्ट इनसाइड द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड, then there will be the no force acting on it. Second, if theta is 90 degree, theta is 90 degree means अगर आपका चार्ज पार्टिकल परपेंडिकुलर डायरेक्शन में मूव होगा तब फोर्स कितना होगा क्यू वी बी, एंड इट इज़ द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू, और द फोर्स एक्सपीरियंस्ड बाय द चार्ज पार्टिकल विल बी मैक्सिमम when it is moving perpendicular to the direction of the applied magnetic field. Now next is the if theta is 180 degree means the charged particle is moving anti-parallel to the direction of the magnetic field. In that case force will be again 0. Means either the charged particle is at rest or it is moving parallel or anti-parallel भी ले सकते हो आप, parallel or anti-parallel. In both 3 cases the force experienced by the charged particle inside the magnetic field will be 0, and if theta is 90 degree, in that case the force will be maximum. This is today's lecture. From here we will start in the next video. Thank you.